One here. Today is the day 20. Come this side.
Yes, good.
Day 22.
22nd, yeah.
Second, yeah. And oh my god, I did workout before 1 hour started. We forgot to shoot because of this man.
Look at this. Our strength levels have gone up. Look at this. We began at 5 kgs and now we reached 20 kgs. Imagine, 22nd. This is just the beginning, guys. Stay tuned for Suman and his transformation. You can see the difference already. Day 1 to 22nd. He's all pumped. His muscle maturity has gone good. And you can make out for yourself, guys. Just make out for yourself. So this is how it is.
Only 8 days happens.
Yeah. So this is how we do it. Keep following us because this is something serious business, guys. This is serious stuff. Everything coming your way. Stay tuned. See you on the other side.
go, 20 kg.
20 kg. Come on, let's go. Go. Up, up. Yes, nice one, buddy. Yes. Good. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Nice one. I love that. I love it. Yes. Keep going, keep going. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. Go now, do. Keep doing. Keep doing. Last 20. Go. Last 20. Go, 1, 2. Up.
Keep shining right beside me, follow where I go. So when the thunder comes and the storm becomes the night, I'll guide you through the lightning, stay close by my side. Up in the clouds I found my voice, up past the shouts and broken noise. So don't let me fall where I don't belong. I can't go back.